Really, because in talking to both of you, I would agree that there is a lot of overlap. Are you guys working on different planets, or is it more like same planet, different hemisphere? Alan, what do you think?
Yeah, that's such a great question. I mean, it's funny because traditionally academia is kind of stuck in the lab, and we're not on the real world planet. Michael's dealing with how people actually behave and asking people questions, and there's nothing like a conversation to understand what makes people tick. And that's the challenge in psychology, is that it's really difficult to quantify that. And it's becoming more and more essential to do it with fewer touch points, because traditionally you in the product world ask people questions about a product that would inform your decisions. You'd release the product, that would be it. Now technology is constantly changing, right? And it's constantly adaptive. And you don't have that many opportunities to ask people how it's going to make them feel before it changes itself. It becomes more intelligent, learns more, makes different decisions on their behalf. And so our worlds are kind of converging in that, there's a need to be able to come up with generalizable psychology types of results, but to do it in a way that actually is relevant to people's real lives. Technology particularly is affecting people's lives more and more. Psychology has kind of tried to ignore that for a while, but it's starting to come to terms with that, right? Like, we like to deal with human universals, but more and more of the variance in human behavior is situated in this technological world. So yeah, I've basically left the lab, and what we really want to do is join kind of the dscout kind of mission. Is we gather kind of similar data now, is data with real people out in the world. The main difference is that we're strictly quantitative. Like, our whole goal is just to quantify that behavior. And we want to become relevant to what dscout is doing. But right now, I think it's really hard to beat the qualitative methods.